In this tutorial, we're going to cover creating a system image, which is an exact copy of your hard drive, while you're on Windows 11. Let's get started. The easiest way to get to the control panel, which is what you need to access, is to either have followed my prior tutorial on how to pin the control panel to the taskbar, or use the search function. So click on the start button and then type control. And as you start typing it, you'll notice it's already listed here. So then once that comes up, select control panel. From here you have two options. If this is what you're looking at, you can either expand the category and show small icons, and then you'll find something here called Backup and Restore Windows 7, or you can, through categories, now go to System and Security, and once you do that, you'll also come to something that says Backup and Restore Windows 7. Select it, and once this opens, this is what you need to access in order to be able to create an image backup. From here, you can select the drive that you want to create the image on. In my case, that's a drive D, and you have several options that you can choose. But just as in Windows 10 and prior, in order to create an image backup, you need to use Backup and Restore Windows 7. And the only way to get to it is through the control panel. How much longer Microsoft will allow us to access the control panel is anyone's guess, but it's still available in Windows 11. And because it's still available, you also have access to Backup and Restore Windows 7. That's what it takes to start making an image backup, so that if you have a problem, you have a way of recovering your hard drive. Stay safe, be free. I hope that helps.